In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a delivery driver account in the UK with Deliveroo. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or start a new adventure on two wheels, this straightforward guide will help you navigate the application process with ease. First, let's get started by heading over to Deliveroo's official UK rider website. Simply type rider.deliveroo.co.uk into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the homepage where you'll find all the necessary details to kickstart your journey with Deliveroo. Once you're on the site, look for the Apply Now button. It's usually quite prominent on the page, designed to catch your eye right away. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the application process and lead you to the next steps. You'll then be presented with a question about your reasons for wanting to ride with Deliveroo. Think about what motivates you, whether it's the flexibility, the opportunity to meet new people, or perhaps your love for being on the road. Choose the option that best resonates with your personal reason for applying. Next, you will be asked to select your preferred work location. Here, you should enter the city where you plan to perform deliveries. This is an important step because it helps Deliveroo understand where you'll be operating and also ensures they have enough riders in different locations. Moving forward, you'll need to fill out some basic information. This includes your full name, email address, and phone number. Ensure the contact details you provide are current, as Deliveroo will use this information to keep in touch with you throughout the application process. Once you've completed the personal details section, you'll be asked to choose your delivery method. Deliveroo offers a few options here, such as using a car, scooter, or bicycle. Select the option that best fits how you plan to deliver orders. This choice will also determine the kind of equipment and documentation you might need later on. Now we arrive at the document uploading stage. This part is crucial, so take your time to gather everything you'll need. The required documents generally include your ID, proof of your right to work in the UK, a valid driver's license if you're planning to use a vehicle, insurance details if applicable, and your bank details for getting paid. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload each document securely. And there you have it. By following these steps carefully, you'll have completed your application for a Deliveroo delivery driver account. All that's left now is to wait for confirmation from Deliveroo, and if everything's in order, you'll soon be on your way to making deliveries. Best of luck and enjoy the ride with Deliveroo.